earthquake!
Earthquakes are caused by movements of plates underneath the Earth's surface. The places where these plates meet are breaks in the Earth's crust called faults.
The earthquake recorded was 9.5 on May 22nd, 1960. It is referred to as the Great Chilean Earthquake.
Earthquake Information Center records an average of 20,000 earthquakes every year and about 50 a day. There are many earthquakes that are too small to be recorded. Earthquakes are caused by movements of plates underneath the Earth's surface. Earthquakes are caused by movements of the National Earthquake Information Center